In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Blobs Geometry Design Generation Tool Engine plugin inside Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch the Blobs plugin so the tool is visible on your screen. Make sure the plugin panel is fully open and easy to view because all of the controls you need are located directly inside that interface. Taking a second to confirm that everything is loaded properly can help you avoid confusion once you begin adjusting settings. Once the plugin is open, move your attention to the control panel area. This is where you'll fine-tune the behavior of the blob generator before creating a result. Look for the complexity slider settings and the uniqueness parameter value tags. These controls are important because they affect the overall style and variation of the geometry that the tool creates. The complexity setting generally influences how simple or intricate the blob shape becomes, while the uniqueness parameters help define how distinct or varied the generated design will feel. Begin adjusting the complexity slider by dragging it to the level that matches the kind of result you want. If you're aiming for a cleaner, simpler look, keep the setting lower. If you want something more detailed or more visually complex, increase it gradually. It's usually a good idea to make small changes instead of dramatic jumps, since that makes it easier to understand how the plugin responds. Next, adjust the uniqueness parameter value tags directly in the same control panel view. As you change these values, pay close attention to how they are meant to shape the final output. Even subtle changes here can have a noticeable impact on the design. If you're exploring different visual directions, take your time and make deliberate adjustments so you can better learn what each setting contributes. After you're satisfied with the complexity and uniqueness settings, the final step is to create the blob. Find the Generate Blob action button in the plugin and click it. This tells the tool to process your selected settings and produce a new geometry design based on the values you just configured. If the first result isn't exactly what you had in mind, that's completely normal when working with generative design tools. The key is understanding that your settings guide the output, so refining those controls can help you move closer to the style you want. With just these basic actions inside Chrome, you can quickly begin generating blob-based geometry and experimenting with different creative results.